Hey, it's Mo, and I'm here with Josh. Today is the last day of the big open house that you've been having. So I just want to make sure that we cover all the details. So why is it important right now for people to come out and take advantage of the offers that you guys have?
Well, one of the big things is we have some extra incentives right now that's going to save customers money. So right now it is going to be less expensive to do something. The second biggest thing is availability. We actually have trailers here right now that, for instance, if this trailer, which is our full body paint Fusion 427, sells today, I will not be able to get a replacement one of these for at least 6 months.
Oh, wow.
So it's a matter of timing. If you really want to get out and go camping this season, now's the time to find something that we've got here in stock or is going to be here very soon. Even if it's not quite here yet, we'll still give you the same incentives to help save you some money.
And you want to have them before the summer, because if there was ever a time to get out and have a good time, it's now, right?
Yes.
And so, yeah, I also think what's so cool about what you guys are offering is the lifetime warranty that you have talked to me a little about. Can you share that with us and what that means?
Yeah, so RV Warranty Forever has been a program we've ran for, I want to say 7 or 8 years now. Our customers love it because, say, a coach like this has an expensive refrigerator in it. If this refrigerator were to go out, it's going to be thousands of dollars to replace that between the labor and the appliance itself. However, if they have an RV Warranty Forever contract from buying it from us, they're actually not going to pay a penny to get that replaced.
Wow.
So another thing, this one has 3 air conditioners on it. Those 3 air conditioners are fully covered for the entire time that they own it. So it's not a comprehensive warranty. However, it does cover a lot of really important, really expensive items that can be costly. And, you know, if you think about a $3,000 repair, that might be the end of your camping season.
Yeah.
You know, so you want to be able to have the protection there and that peace of mind. And it's something that really sets us apart from everybody else.
Yeah. And, you know, even though everything in here is very high end, it is very well done, things happen. And sometimes sometimes they have problems, and
Sure.
It's nice to know that you have, you know, when I call a repair person to help me, it takes a while to get them there. So it's nice to know that we've got you on dial if we need something, and we can get in and get that taken care of.
The other nice thing too is this RV Warranty Forever coverage travels with them. So anywhere in the US and Canada, they can actually use the warranty and they don't have to bring it all the way back here. Because we have customers that buy from all over the United States, and that's always a big concern. Well, you know, if you live in Texas and you've bought one from us, you can take it to a local service center. Or if you're traveling to Florida and you live up here and you have an air conditioner go out, you don't want to drive all the way back here just for that.
Yeah.
So it gives a lot of flexibility and takes care of the customer.
Yeah, it's almost like all you do is think about ways that it can be easy for travelers to do what they love or something.
Right. Cool.
Well,
I mean, even like up front, we do a pre-delivery inspection. So like when this trailer sells, we're going to test all the systems, all the appliances, the electrical, the plumbing, and make sure everything works the way it should, fix any little issues that we find. And then the day that the customers come to pick it up, we're going to do a walkthrough with one of our technicians. So they're going to see exactly how everything sets up, how it all tears down, how it works. They can record it, kind of like what we're doing today, so that way they've got something to reference back to later on. If they've got a question, they're like, how do we turn the water heater on again? Well, they can just pull up the video and they know. Yeah. So it makes the whole experience that much easier. And then obviously we're still just a phone call away if something does come up.
Well, you've certainly changed my perspective on camping today. And, you know, those are the things I think that made me feel like maybe this wasn't for me before, because I thought, gosh, there's all the maintenance and I don't know how to run these things, and how am I supposed to know how to use all of it, and what happens if there's an issue? You know, those are things I think for me, I thought it felt overwhelming, and I also felt like I had a different understanding of what RVs are, and you've really opened my eyes today to what all I can have that fit the lifestyle that I want to have, and fit in terms of amenities, the things that I like to have, the luxurities. That's not a word, but I just made it up. The luxuriousness of some of the travel that I would want, you know. But everyone has a little bit of a different need. So I think that's cool that you can meet all that. Anything else that you feel like everyone should know before this is over this Saturday?
I just think it's time to come out and look. Even if you're curious, you don't think, oh, we're absolutely buying an RV right now. Come out and look and see what the options are. See if it's something that makes sense for your family. Travel right now with airplanes, hotels, things like that are so much more complicated than it used to be. With this, you've got something that you know what your amenities are going to be. You pack everything up when you leave home. It's already there when you get there. You know where your travel is going to be. You know, it's much simpler. So you're not relying on all these outside sources to get where you want to be for, say, vacation or things like that. And we have a lot of people that are looking at this as an alternative to housing right now. With the housing crunch being what it is, especially in this market right now, something like this where you've got a big spacious bedroom and bathroom, a big kitchen living area. This one's even got a 15-foot garage and an 8-foot patio that drops off the back. There's a lot of flexibility and a lot of options out there for people depending on what they want to do.
Yeah, it's just so nice to know that if you want freedom and if you want to experience a little bit of a different lifestyle, or maybe journey off and have that lifestyle you've always really dreamed of having, you can do it. And like what you said, I definitely recommend you come check it out, whether or not you think you're on the market now, because what you have is worth seeing. If you're a person who likes to experience something new, just come check it out and make a day of it.
Yeah, everything's unlocked. While we're open, we come in first thing in the morning, we unlock every unit that's available. You can come in at your leisure. You don't have to worry about being hassled by salespeople. We're here if you have questions, and we're happy to help you however we can. But if you truly just want to come out and explore and see what the possibilities are, you're welcome to do it. We're here Monday through Friday, 8 to 5 every week, and Saturdays, 9 to 3.
All right, well, you guys heard it here. The sale, the incentives, the open house, all of it ends today. So you want to come here today by 3 p.m. and check it out.